Fire in the hole, let's cook a burrito. Woohoo! Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard. What I got going on today is we're going to make a burrito. We got some pork country ribs that we're going to use for the meat for the burrito, and of course we're going to put some Sang stir fry oil on the meat. We always do, no matter what. And I got a little bit of my root boy rub number 2. We're just going to dust that meat with that root boy rub. That's just a good barbecue rub. We're making kind of a barbacoa, I guess you call it. And we're just going to take this meat and just going to cook it up a little bit, and then we're going to dice it up and put it inside the burrito. So let me get my meat cooked up and diced up, and then I'll come back and we'll build this burrito, El Burrito Loco. Wait till you see. Stay tuned. Okay, the meat is done, so let's assemble this burrito. El Burrito Loco. Let's get some sour cream going here. Everybody likes sour cream, right? I know I do. Now, if you're, I don't like guac, you know, so I'm not going to put any guac on my burrito. If you're making this for yourself, feel free to put guac on it. I don't like guac. I don't like avocados. I got some pico de gallo. I'm going to put some of that on there. Pico and sour cream make an awesome combination. Let me tell you what. Get some of that pico on there. I also like some jalapeno on mine. So I got some sliced jalapenos that I'm going to put on there. Some sliced jalapenos. I probably should have diced them up a little bit, but it's okay. There we go. Sliced jalapenos. And then I got my meat. Some of my pork. Lay some of that pork on there. Oh boy. That's looking excellent so far. That's like a pretty stuffed burrito, but you know what? Let's wrap my burrito up. But it's a nice burrito, but I wouldn't call it loco, would you? Would you call that loco? I don't think it's loco. I think it's a nice burrito, nicely wrapped burrito, but it's not really exactly loco, is it? We got to do something to make this loco. Let me think a minute. I got an idea. Stay tuned. So I'm thinking, what would make that burrito a loco burrito? Burrito means small burro, by the way, in case you didn't know. Well, I'm thinking, how about if we take that whole thing and wrap it in bacon? What do you think about that? Does that sound like a plan? It does to me. I'm going to take my Burrito Loco and wrap it in a bacon weave that I just happen to have standing by right here. Just happen to have it. I like to keep a bacon weave just hanging around, you know. You never know when company's going to come over and you need to wrap a burrito in bacon. Let me get that in the pan and get it cooking. I'll show you what that looks like. And then we're going to finish up this El Burrito Loco. He's loco. Let's put a little bit of root boy rub on there. Give it a little color. What do you think? Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Now you're talking. Now you're talking. A little bit of my rub on there. Let's get that thing in the pan and get it cooking. Stay tuned. Can you hear me sizzling on your window tonight? Oh boy. You hear that puppy sizzling? That bacon is getting cooked up right. Give it a turn. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. American pork belly bacon wrapped burrito. El Burrito Loco. Loco. You know why it's loco? Because this is madness. Madness, I say. A little bit more of my rub on the bottom there. Didn't get any on the bottom. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, you hear that baby sizzling? Yeah, let's get this cooked up. We're gonna cut it open and drink a beer. So stay tuned. You know, I was so excited about having my burrito wrapped in bacon, I forgot to put cheese on the inside. So I threw some cheese on the outside. You know, what are you gonna do? I did the best I could do with that. I completely forgot. I'm so focused on wrapping it in bacon, I wasn't thinking about what goes into the burrito. Anyway, there was supposed to be cheese on the inside as well as on the outside. Anyway, there's the Frosty Root Boy mug. That's the star of the show. Here's today's beer, Modelo Negra. One of my favorite beers. A very Mexican howdy-do to you, a dark Mexican beer. Excellent beer. I've had it before. Rob, get this at Publix, Rob. Modelo Negra. Let's look at that. Yep, a nice dark brown ale. Beautiful, beautiful Mexican beer to go with my Burrito Loco. And I am loco right now, thinking about quaffing the froth off this beer, well, excuse me, and eating a piece of my burrito, even though the cheese isn't inside, it's on the outside, all melty on the outside, but it's okay. It's alright, I'll remember for next time. Hey, Rob, what do you think, baby? Modelo Negra, what a beautiful beer. Look at the beautiful color of that. Let's quaff the froth off it. Ladies and gentlemen, that is excellent beer. Modelo Negro. How am I going to eat this thing? Let me think. I think what I want to do is get a slice of it, like a kind of like a sushi. Try and get a piece of it, like right here. Yeah. Yeah, I'm afraid it didn't get any cheese on the inside, but you can also always heap up a bunch of cheese on the outside, right? Which is what I did. Get it like that. Grab it up. Grab it up and eat it. Oh my goodness. That's delicious. Wow. Like I said, I wish I had put the cheese on the inside, but I didn't. But it is absolutely fantastic. Even this way, it's delicious. Sorry for chewing. Would that look good? Hey, you know what I always say, babies? If you like this crap, please hit that subscribe button down there. And if you don't, go up in the iCard, see my buddy Rob, my drinking buddy, the barbecue pit dog. Rob and Duke are going to be doing this very same burrito very soon. You'll see. This thing's awesome. Let me tell you what. I'm not going to catch my breath. Wow. That's a hell of a burrito. Let me tell you what. Hey, this is great beer. Modelo Negro. That's my video. Come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but we will drink a beer with Rob and Duke. And this thing is out of sight. You got to try this bacon wrapped burrito. El Burrito Loco. Loco like me. I'm loco. Bye.